Did you know that most motorcycle owners spend over $1,000 a year on maintenance, and a big chunk of it is totally unnecessary? Mechanics quietly push services, sell you overpriced products, and leave out simple tricks that could save you hundreds. But today, we're exposing it all. In this countdown, we're revealing 13 motorcycle maintenance secrets mechanics don't want you to know. Tips to keep your bike running better, lasting longer, and saving your wallet. And the number one tip, it's so simple, you'll wonder why no one told you sooner. Let's dive in. Number 13, tire pressure, the cheapest safety upgrade you're ignoring. Most riders don't realize that bad tire pressure causes more failures than punctures. Even being 5 psi off can ruin handling, waste gas, and wear your tires out twice as fast. The fix? A $10 digital gauge and 1 minute a week. That's it. Forget the shop's nitrogen fill or premium tire service upsells. You can do this yourself. Keeping your pressure in check makes your bike smoother, safer, and far cheaper to run. And once you've got your tires sorted, let's move to something you touch every ride but rarely adjust, and it's quietly wearing down your bike. Number 12, lever and pedal setup, the invisible stress point. When your levers and pedals are out of alignment, every squeeze and shift adds stress to your cables and joints. A brake lever that's too high, constant pressure on your master cylinder. A poorly angled shift pedal, uneven clutch wear over time. Most riders never adjust these, but 5 minutes of setup can change everything. Adjust your controls to your body, not the factory setting. You'll ride smoother, reduce fatigue, and stop micro wear before it starts. And speaking of stress on moving parts, the next one could literally stop your wheel mid-ride. Number 11, wheel bearings, the 30-second check that saves you hundreds. Bad bearings start as a faint grind, then turn into a full-on failure. You don't need tools to check, just lift your wheel and spin it. If it glides quietly, you're golden. If it crunches, clicks, or wobbles, replace them before they lock up. A $25 bearing set is cheap. A seized axle? Not so much. This 30-second habit can save you from one of the most expensive repair bills you'll ever face. But even if your wheels are solid, the next system on your bike is where mechanics make serious money. Number 10, coolant flushes, the yearly scam. Walk into any shop and they'll insist you need a coolant flush every year. That's nonsense. Unless you're racing or riding through harsh climates, your coolant lasts 2 to 3 years easily. The process is dead simple. Drain the old stuff, flush with distilled water, refill, and bleed out the air bubbles. They charge $100 for a job that takes under an hour at home. And while we're talking about cheap insurance, the next trick costs less than lunch but prevents some of the worst headaches in motorcycle maintenance. Number 9, anti-seize, the $5 fix that saves $500 repairs. Ever snapped a bolt while removing it? It happens because metal fuses together over time. The cure is a tiny dab of anti-seize, a gray grease that stops corrosion, moisture, and heat from locking bolts in place. Use it on spark plugs, exhaust bolts, brake calipers, and axle nuts. Mechanics love seize bolts because it means more billable hours for them. Use anti-seize once, and you'll never need to pay someone to drill out a frozen bolt again. But while we're on bolts, how tight you make them might surprise you. Number 8, the over-tightening trap. More riders damage their bikes with brute strength than bad parts. Over-tightening your oil drain plug, axle nuts, or side cover bolts can strip threads or even crack aluminum pans. Once that happens, you're looking at hundreds in repairs. The fix is simple. Tighten by hand, then a quarter turn more. Or, better yet, grab a torque wrench and follow your bike's spec sheet. The goal is secure, not immovable. And while oil leaks are scary, sometimes what looks like a leak isn't one at all. Number 7, fake fork seal leaks. You see oil around your fork and think, great, another big repair. But here's the truth. Most leaks are just dirt stuck under the seal. Before you spend hundreds, slide a thin plastic card or seal cleaning tool under the seal and swirl it around. 9 times out of 10, the leak stops instantly. It's a $5 trick that can save you a full fork rebuild. And that same principle, cleaning instead of replacing, applies to the next tip too. Number 6, the toothbrush trick for chains. Shops love selling chain cleaning gadgets and sprays, but an old toothbrush works just as well. Once a month, dip it in kerosene or a chain cleaner and scrub. Dirt acts like sandpaper, grinding away at your links and sprockets. A clean chain can last over 20,000 miles. A dirty one? Half that. Simple, cheap, and fast. Just how maintenance should be. But even a clean chain won't last long if you're using the wrong lube. Number 5, the chain lube myth.
Every store sells high-performance motorcycle lube in shiny cans. But here's the truth. Plain gear oil or synthetic motor oil works just as well. The brand doesn't matter. Consistency does. Lube it regularly and evenly, and your chain will thank you. But whatever you do, don't use WD-40 as a lube. It's a cleaner, not a protector. Use it to clean if you want, but always follow up with real oil. Now let's move to another myth that's been costing riders for years.
Number 4. The battery replacement lie. You've probably heard that motorcycle batteries only last 2 years. That's a myth, one that keeps shops in business. If you use a trickle charger or battery tender, your battery can last 5 years, sometimes longer. Letting it sit all winter without charge kills it early. One deep discharge can permanently weaken it. Keep it topped up, and you'll go years without buying another. And speaking of unnecessary purchases, this next one might be sitting on your shelf right now. Number 3. Motorcycle-specific cleaning products. Motorcycle-only wax, pro-grade polish, fancy words, double prices. Most of these are rebranded auto or household cleaners. A simple car wax or glass cleaner does the same job. Your bike doesn't care what's on the label. So skip the marketing fluff and keep your money for real maintenance. And while we're cutting through myths, let's talk about the one fluid everyone overpays for. Number 2. The brake fluid flush lie. Shops push yearly brake flushes by scaring you with safety talk. But unless you ride through extreme humidity or track your bike, you don't need to replace it that often. Every 2 to 3 years is plenty. Check the reservoir yourself. If the fluid's clear or light amber, it's fine. If it's dark or dirty, then it's time for a change. Don't fall for easy money service calls. And before we get to number 1, there's one last tip that quietly steals your power and your wallet. Number 1. The air filter neglect problem. Your air filter is the lung of your motorcycle. Let it clog and your bike breathes like it's got a cold, sluggish, inefficient, and thirsty for fuel. Shops love charging for replacements, but cleaning or swapping it yourself takes 10 minutes. A clean filter boosts power, saves fuel, and keeps your engine healthy. It's the simplest, most effective thing you can do, and most riders never bother. So there you have it. 13 secrets mechanics don't want you to know. Each one simple, cheap, and designed to keep your bike out of the shop and on the road. Because maintenance shouldn't be about spending more, it should be about knowing more. Check your tires, keep your fluids honest, clean, tighten, and inspect the small stuff before it becomes big stuff. The best mechanic your bike will ever have is you. And now that you know these secrets, you'll never look at motorcycle maintenance the same way again.